1-453 State versus Charlie George. And that is James Oltersdorf is the attorney.
Yes, sir. I'm old school. Old school. And Mr. George is old school. He's in your courtroom, George. He
You're
should
breaking
be-
up. You're breaking up on me.
I'm sorry. I was trying to be funny. I'm saying we're old school. He's actually in the courtroom
Okay,
and I'm here. So that number is correct. So,
very good. Looks like that's an old case.
yes,
All right.
sir.
Case number 463-132, State versus Anissa Clark. And that is Michael Zamora. Michael Zamora? No answer. Anissa Clark? Absent at this time. Scheduled for 1:30. 574-131, State versus Bryant Rodriguez, and that is Baltazar Serna's attorney. Okay, it's an MTR scheduled for 1:30. 597-288, State versus Lily Lopez Rodriguez, also known as Lydia Ontiveros. Attorney is Saul Acevedo. God bless his soul.
Hello?
Hello.
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you Ms. Ontiveros or Ms. Rodriguez?
I'm Lily Rodriguez, but when I was married years ago, I was from Tiveros.
Okay. Well, Ms. Ontiveros, your attorney passed away. So
Yes, sir.
we're gonna have to give you a new attorney. I appreciate that you showed up on time. Ms. Garcia will be telling you or talking to you shortly, and we'll make sure that you get an attorney. Don't go anywhere until we're through, okay?
Well, I was going to talk to Saul's nephew, see if he can represent me, but the reason I didn't go, sir, because I hurt it myself. I went to the emergency on Saturday. I messed
Okay.
up my rib.
Okay, like I said, if you just wait a little bit, we'll take care of the situation, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. God bless you.
You want me to 611-454 State versus Mariano Guzman Medrano, and that's Julia Hernandez.
Present, Your Honor. I
Good
believe my
morning.
client should be in court.
I like the way you
He's in
said
the
it should
courtroom.
be. He is in the courtroom. Very good.
Thank you, Judge.
All right. MTR, what do you want to do anything else right now, Ms. Hernandez?
No, we do have an agreement, except my client was unable to execute the documents. So I
Okay.
don't know if that's something that they can help him with there, but there is an agreement and we're ready to do a plea once we can do the documents.
Very good. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Judge.
Scheduled for 2 p.m. today. Cases number 617-423, 620-101, and 620-102. State versus Elizabeth Dalrymple and Melissa Lesniak is attorney of record. That'll be at 2:00. All right. Are either one of you here? Okay. Case number 634-265, State versus Neda Leal, and that is Stacy Krause.
Good morning.
Good morning. Are you Ms. Leal?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you for being here on time. Have you heard from your attorney?
I have not. I will get in contact with her.
All right, we'll be waiting for her also. Right now, she is not answering. All right. Case number 641-018, State versus Jonathan Gonzalez. No attorney of record at this time. Jonathan Gonzalez.
Oh, right here, sir. I'm sorry.
Well,
Sir, I
good
was
morning.
gonna ask if I could have a court-appointed attorney. If there's any way I could get one.
Well, there is if you qualify. We're gonna let you apply then, okay?
Okay, sir.
Just stick around a little while. We'll tell you how that's gonna be done.
Okay, sir.
644, and thank you for being here on time. The next time, be sure you answer right away. 644-664, State versus Brandon Reyna, and that is Michael King is attorney of record.
Good morning, Your Honor. We have an offer from the state. If Mr. Edelman is here this morning, if we can go to a breakout room, I'd like to talk to him about that.
We will do that as soon as we finish the calling of the docket. You'll be number one. And is your Mr. Reyna here?
I'm sorry, Your Honor. Yes, he's here with me.
Ah, there you are. Very good. Number one to confer. 649-825, State versus Eduardo Garcia. And that's Linda Corley.
Here, Judge.
Good morning, Mr.
Good morning, Judge. I'm here
Garcia.
for Linda Corley.
And who is that?
Judge, I'm here, Kim Beza for Linda
Miss-
Corley.
I got you. Yes, ma'am. Good morning, Ms.
Thank you,
Beth.
Judge.
And what are your wishes? Any?
Judge, I'd like to confer.
All right. Say so. We got number two for conferring. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. 652-034, State versus John Pena, and that is Patrick Hancock.
Good morning, Your Honor. Patrick Hancock is running a little bit late on another Zoom meeting there. He will be joining shortly.
Very good, Mr. Pena. Mr. Ken. All right. 653-202, State versus Brandy Martinez, Richard Langlois. Brandy Martinez. Ms. Martinez is marked absent at this time. Mr. Langlois has no answer. 654-935, State versus Benito Luna. Norma Vidal is attorney.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good
I'm
morning,
here.
Ms. Good
My
morning.
client is having a hard time signing in. He is trying though. We
You
do
mean-
have a plea deal to take today.
All right. So you mean that he's having trouble with a computer?
Yes.
Tell me it isn't so.
I know. We're trying though.
Hey,
Um,
if I didn't have good staff that know what they're doing, 90% of the time I'd be lost. All right, so we're
Can we
gonna,
give him a few minutes to show up, Your Honor?
that's not a problem, especially
Thank you.
since you as an officer of the court are telling me that he's trying to get in. All right, 655-001, State versus Joseph Casas, and that is Efrain Torres, attorney. Efrain Torres is no answer, and his client is doing no better. He's absent. 655-320, State versus Adam Sierra, and Jason Joyner is attorney. Jason Joyner, no answer, and Mr. Sierra is absent at this.
Your
time.
Honor, Your Honor,
Yes.
that got reset. Attorney is at ALR's this morning. It got reset for pretrial conference.
Okay. 30
you-
days or what?
Are you on?
Hello?
August 10th.
Okay,
What's the problem?
I muted Ms. Vidal.
I appreciate that. 655-350, State versus Tiffany Suarez, and that is William Chumley Jr., attorney. Mr. Chumley is not answering, and his client, Ms. Suarez, is absent. Is she a fugitive, Patty? I guess not. She just got
No.
a stack of
No.
cases, 1, 2, 3 misdemeanors, 2 felonies. All right. 655-447, State versus Martina Barrera, and that is Jocelyn Andrews. I see you somewhere.
Yes, Judge, I'm here.
Good morning, Ms. Andrews.
Good
Where's
morning.
your
My
client?
client should also be on. I'd like to confer, please, Judge. I think this is actually our first setting. And FYI, Judge, I have CPS at 9:30, so hopefully I can confer before then. But if not, I'll try and jump back on afterwards.
You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna let you go ahead and confer right now with Mr. Edelman. Can you join Ms. Andrews, please?
Yes, I can, sir.
We'll get
Thank you, Judge. I
get her
appreciate
going
that.
since she's got that CPS case. we'll be waiting for your client.
She should be there already. She is.
Ms. Barrera?
Yes, I'm here.
Martina Barrera, speak up. Let me see you.
Wave your hand, Martina.
I'm here.
There you are. Thank you, ma'am. Very good. All right. Patricia, would you please place Ms. Andrews and Andrew Edelman in breakout?
This breakout room 1.
656-361, State versus Jesus Garza. And that is Yadira Villarreal, his attorney.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor, Yadira Villarreal.
Good morning, ma'am.
I also have my client, he is there.
He is here.
Where?
In the courtroom or what?
Yes. No, in Zoom, Your Honor.
He's here, right here.
Jesus Garza? Wave at me or something. I don't see you.
Me? I'm here.
Jesus Garza. Jesus Garza.
Hey.
Do you see him, Patty?
Yes, sir. He's wearing a red shirt.
Oh, there he is. Okay.
Yes, he's with my paralegal, Your Honor.
All right. Very good.
Thank you. And on his case, Your Honor, the last thing we had, I conferred with the state and we had tentatively reached a deal. So I haven't spoken to them since, but if they got the approval, yeah, I believe we do have a plea deal.
We'll check it out. Agreement, question mark.
Thank you.
All right. Then scheduled for 2:30.
Sorry?
Scheduled for 2:30, 657-114, Rakesia Brooks, attorney is John Garcia. 2:30, not here yet, that's understandable. 658-483, State versus Daniel Perez, and that's Catherine Valenzuela.
Good morning, Your Honor. Mr. Perez should be in the courtroom.
He's here in the courtroom, Judge.
Okay. I'm always leery when people say should be in the courtroom. I agree, should be. All right, so he is here. Thank you very much, Ms. Valenzuela. What do you want to do?
Your Honor, I'm supposed to meet with Mr. Perez, and so he's going to come into my office, so we'd ask for a short reset.
How short are we talking about? 5'1", 4'11"?
You had me going on that one, Your Honor.
2 weeks, Ms. Valenzuela?
Yes, 2 weeks would be sufficient.
Recall, 2 weeks.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. You're excused. So is Mr. Perez. Y'all get together and let's get this done.
Okay.
Page 4, 658-645, State versus Mercedes Pacheco, and that is Rene Munoz.
Yes, Your Honor. Present. My client is.
Good morning, sir. I'm here.
Present
Good
as
morning
well.
to you both. What are you guys going to do?
Yes, Judge. The state just recently added some new evidence, including audio files as well as numerous videos. I still need to
Go in the courtroom and make the announcement.
to confer with the state judge.
Okay, come back.
Patricia.
I'm sorry, Judge. Stacy Krause came in my office. What was the question?
There ain't a question. You were speaking to Stacy and we're trying to get a.
I'm sorry.
You're not
Apologize.
muted, but you're okay. That's all right. Okay, Renee, say it again.
Yes, requesting a standard reset to go through newly added evidence.
Will 2 weeks do, or do you need more?
Probably a little more, Judge. The newly added evidence is quite voluminous. There's at least 10 videos.
Okay, a little more. How about 15 days instead?
16.
We'll give you 30 days. How about that?
I appreciate that, Judge, and I will be prepared to confer with the state at that point in time.
Very good.
Thank you, Judge. May my client I be excused?
Yes, you may.
Thank you, sir.
Reset 30 days, Patricia. 659-481, State versus Javier Limon, and that is Nathan Slemane.
Morning, Judge.
Good morning,
Ivan
Nathan.
Barrera
How
here.
are you? Oh, Ivan Barrera, are you here for Mr. Slemane?
No, Judge. So this case was recalled for 2 weeks, 2 weeks ago, because we had filed 3 different notices of appearance and it never changed.
Well,
But
we're consistent, aren't we?
but Your Honor, it finally was able. It was finally switched over. I'm finally the attorney of record.
Okay.
Yes, Your Honor. So I barely got access to the evidence. I believe it was Thursday or Friday. So I just asked the court for a 30-day reset to review that.
Defense reset 30 days. You got it. You is your client here?
He is present, Your Honor.
All right.
I'm right here, Judge.
Thank you. Y'all are both excused.
Thank you, Judge.
660-782 State versus Esmeralda Garcia. And we have Brenda Levenstein. Brenda, are you here? Good morning, Brenda. How are you?
Good morning.
Is your client here?
I believe so.
Esmeralda Garcia? Very good. Thank you, ma'am. Ms. Levenstein, what are your wishes for today besides the
Could I
dismissal?
confer with the state?
Of course you can. You'll be number 4. Won't be long at all.
Okay.
Thank you, ladies. 660-804 State versus Dominic Rodriguez, no attorney of record.
Judge Ivan Barrera here. He's hired us on that case. He's in the courtroom.
Very good. What are your wishes, sir?
Judge, this is an arraignment. So we'd like to waive the arraignment and get a 30-day reset.
Waive arraignment. Reset 30 days. Very good. It is done. Mr. Rodriguez and Mr. Barrera, on this case, in your case, Barrera, y'all are excused.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. All right, let's see. Defendant has 2 attorneys. Uh-oh. All right. Listen closely. 660-869 State versus Keontae Rome. And this one, the first case is Elizabeth Settle as attorney of record. Second case, 660-870 State versus Keontae Rome. That we have Cleophas Marshall as attorney hired.
That is correct, Your Honor. I actually represent Mr. Keontae Rome on both cases. We filed a notice of appearance on both cases at the same time.
Right.
And it appears that only one notice was actually attached to the one case.
No
problem.
problem.
So what I asked my staff to do on yesterday was just to go ahead and refile again on the DWI. So we haven't received all of the discovery on that. If possible, we can get a 30-day reset so that we can get all the discovery on these cases.
Reset. Is your client here, by the way?
Yes, he's there. He's under his name. It's he just said I'm here.
The white t-shirt.
I see you. Yes,
sir.
sir. Thank you. Is that the way you pronounce it, Chianti? Just like the wine?
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay, gentlemen, I'm resetting it for 30 days. Y'all are excused. Stay safe.
Thank you, Judge. You have a good day.
You too. Then we have 660-874 State versus Dominic Campos, and the attorney is Frank Sandoval. Frank Sandoval. Dominic Campos.
I'm here, Your Honor.
Okay, keep talking, wave your hand or something.
Your Honor.
I still don't see you. Where are you?
It's not allowing me unable to access camera.
Oh, you don't have a, okay, what is, let's see. Campos. Patty, do you see her?
Yes, Your Honor. I'm changing her name now.
Okay,
It's a blank screen, but it has her name on it.
I see it.
How do I get
Okay. How do we get her on video? Do you have any idea, Miss Patricia?
I don't know. It says she's on an iPhone. I don't know about that because
I even join back in?
yeah, you can do that.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, guys. Frank Sandoval, we're showing him
Judge,
No
she
answer.
has a total of 4 cases. 3 of
I
them
noticed.
are in County
County
Court
Court
1.
one, and they're
So
gonna
I
be
don't know if
transferred to us.
Yes, sir. I don't know if Mr. Sandoval is in 1 waiting for her since she has 3 cases over there.
It could be. We'll give them benefit of the doubt at this point. All right, then we have an add-on. What's Brenchley's case numbers?
I think you have the files there, Judge, behind
Your
you.
Honor, they are 598744 and 598745.
But you skipped one, Judge, page 5.
Page 5. Oh,
My lonely
oh,
case.
there it is, way at the, yes, ma'am. 660-890, State versus Maria Fernandez and Mary Petracek.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning. Good to see you. Haven't seen you in over a year.
Been a minute, yes. So Ms. Fernandez is not present today. She doesn't have computer access or phone access. I do have contact with her son. She does have some, I guess there were some mental illnesses referenced in the police report that I'm going to dive into and probably file a motion for competency and a psych eval on.
All right. Bring that as soon as you can. I will grant that psych eval. I'll order it, is a better way to say it.
Yes, Judge. And so I guess I'll just e-file it and with an order attached.
That'd be very good.
Okay.
And I will reset this at this point. Let me recall it for 2 weeks so you can give you at least a status report on what's going on.
Thank you, Judge.
2-week recall. All right. Now we have Mr. Kip Brenchley.
Oh, Judge, may I be excused?
Yes, you may. Thank you.
Judge. Yeah, have a good night.
Good to see you. Take care.
Good to see you.
Now we have Mr. Kip Brenchley, 2 cases, 598-744 and 598-745. Thank you, Mr. Edelman. That'll be a hearing as soon as we get to it. Are we ready for that, Mr. Edelman?
Believe so, sir.
All right. What about
I'm in the courtroom, Your Honor.
All right. Good morning, Michael.
Your Honor,
Yes.
I have Attorney Patrick Hancock.
Hancock. Okay.
Hey, good morning, Judge. I was a little late to the Zoom. I represent John Pena, Judge.
Right.
Thank you, Patty.
You're welcome.
How have you been, Patrick?
I'm good, Judge. Just trying to get in the swing of things again here. Judge, I'd like to confer with the prosecutor.
You got it. You're on the list.
Okay.
Let's see. We have Mr. Edelman. Did you have any kind of result in the conferring with Ms. Andrews?
Yes, sir. We made a plea offer.
All right.
Judge, I'm here. I was just putting in the chat with Patty. We've got an offer. I need to discuss it with my client. So I didn't know if Patty wanted to give me a reset date now or email it to me later.
How long the reset, Judge?
I'm sorry.
How long did you want to reset this for?
Well, Ms. Andrews, what do you need? Is 2 weeks not enough?
Judge, there's a lot going on, so I'd appreciate 30 days, please.
Then you will have 30 days, Ms. Andrews.
Thank you so much, Judge. I appreciate
You're quite welcome.
It's July 9th, Ms. Andrews.
Okay, wonderful. Thank you.
I'm having trouble finding that case number, Patty. What is it?
655-447.
No wonder. 655-447. Okay. Reset 30.
May we be excused, Your Honor?
Yes, you may. Good to
Thank
see
you.
you. Take care.
So did you want to allow the attorneys to go on breakout room, Judge, or
Yes.
did you? Because I only have 4.
let's do,
5.
I'd like to do that, Judge. Jim Oltersdorf.
Yeah, James was the first attorney that announced, Judge, and you didn't ask him what he wanted to do.
I have an expression for that, but we'll